hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Taylorsville, Stony Point, Love Valley, Olin, Scotts, Hittite, Little River in Alexander County, Vashti, Union Grove, and Ellendale. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the Warren area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. The storm is producing frequent and intense lightning. Turn off electrical appliances. Do not use corded telephones. Do not take a bath or shower. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Alexander and Iredell. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe